clustering, see, this is the warehouse. So in the warehouse, all patterns are there. So if you are using the clustering, what will happen? So they can be segregated. So this is a one pattern. So this pattern, it is a red color. So with the help of the clustering tool, clustering task, you can segregate it. If you apply the clustering task on the data warehouse, I have taken the small data warehouse which consists of the different patterns. Okay, maybe this you can take what you can call it as a the banking system. These parameter you can take the what you can water bodies, and these pattern you can take it is the forest area. So with the help of the clustering, you can segregate. So the green pattern, this is what the forest area, this is what the banking system, this is what the water bodies. This is how you can segregate with the help of the clustering. Clustering also help in the cluster case. What happens? Intra-cluster distance are very minimum, because so all looks similar only. So even though you can take their shape or you can take their color, intra distance is very less. Whereas if you are comparing with the other cluster, so this is the cluster, the color, what you can call it as the blue color, and this is the some other color, violet color. Okay, their distance is more. Inter-cluster distance are maximized with the help of the clustering. So if it is maximized, you can easily recognize the particular part of the warehouse. So this is possible with the help of the clustering. So make a note. So this is a small database, or you can take the warehouse. With the help of the clustering tool, you can segregate. Once you segregated, intra-cluster distance is very small, whereas inter distance is very large. Inter-cluster distance is maximized with the help of the clustering. Otherwise, what happens? No. So this is a dark green. Some other is marked for the light green. So directly the tool is data mining tool is applied. It is very difficult to segregate these things. Even though you are segregating, it is taking a lot of time. If you are applying the clustering tool, clustering task to the warehouse, so it segregate all the varieties of the data which are available in the data warehouse. Accessing is very fast with the help of the clustering. Application of the cluster analysis, understanding customer profile for targeted marketing. This is again content behind the syllabus. You can see how the tool is works, how the data mining tool is works. So it is a mixed. This is the data warehouse. When the cluster tool is analyzed, this type of the data warehouse, it segregate the databases, or you can call it as the data marts are there. So all is glimpsing. So one want to analyze it manually. So it is very difficult to analyze. So if you are using the tool or the cluster task, it segregate all these. Maybe the yellow color is the desert data, the blue color is the water bodies, the gray color. So something it clusters it. This is how the task cluster works. This is the tool, animated tool, cluster tool, which segregate the patterns. The different patterns are there. Maybe one is, this is a warehouse. One is for the water body, one is for the desert. Something you can take some examples. So market segmentation, subdivide the market into distinct subset of the customers, where any subset may conceivably be selected as a market target to be reached with a distinct marketing mix. Even clustering application too, if you have a document, same word is repeating, it is very difficult to recognize in the text. Okay, so you want to segregate the some of the words which are very important for the prediction purpose. So you can segregate it with the help of the tool called as the clustering, a task called as a cluster. So anyhow, this association is a one model. Third model is the association rule only. Just I'm briefing. Okay, so association one can easily find out. For example, you can make grouping. Okay, so person is purchasing the milk, so he can purchase the sugar or he can purchase the tea powder. That is not a big task. Okay, making association, clubbing these items, placing these items in one place, it is not a big deal. Okay, so the big deal is that the person is purchasing the sweet. Okay, so he also purchased the onion also. Okay, very rare cases. So this cannot be recognized by the traditional method. Okay, very rare case. So with the help of the association rule, association task, it can associate, it can recognize very rare transactions. So for example, the person is purchasing the Coke, diaper and milk. That is what the transaction tip. So the person is purchasing, what is the relation? He is purchasing beer and bread. So such a very rare combinations. So such a combination is also recognized with the help of the association tool. So milk, see, person is purchasing the milk. Generally, he purchase the sugar or coffee or tea powder. But here the person is purchasing milk as well as the Coke. Okay, so this is a very tedious combination. Tedious combination. So the person is purchasing the onion. So if he may purchase the sweet also. Okay, so this is the very rare combination. So this rare combination can be analyzed with the association, can be possible with the help of the tool called as the association rule. Traditionally, it is not possible. Because the data warehouse is a huge data, almost the frequent combination can be predicted easily. But whereas the rare combination, it is very difficult to predict traditionally, manually. So with the help of the association rules, we can predict the person make the combination. The person purchase the onion, he can purchase what you can call it as a sweet also. So that means in the mall, we have to keep the basket, we have to keep the racks, the sweet box side to the onion. Accessibility is very easy, no? So generally we go to the mall. Most of we are interested go to the mall instead of the market. Why we go to the mall? Because you can get the variety of the items there. Okay, whatever you wanted, if it is available in the same place of the mall, then more advantage you will get. You can save the time also. Customer can save because the people do not have the time. If all the item which is required by me, if it is available in the same place in the mall, I can save the lot of time. Okay, if you are going for the market to purchase the set of the item, it takes lot of time. So to avoid this, so what we will do, most of the time we go to the malls. In the malls, all items will be available. Maybe you can take the vegetable is available in the market. Fruits, you can take fruits. Grocery, you can take. So even you take the cloth, these are all available in different place in the market. Whereas in the mall, so all these things available in the one place. So if they were associated, your required things like a diaper and milk is available. Very rare combinations. Diaper, the person who purchased the diaper is purchasing the sometimes milk also. It is a very rare combination. If it is available in one place of the mall, in one rack. So both are available. So you can save the time. So such a analysis is also possible in the case of the data mining task called as a association. That's what I told you. This is the content behind the syllabus. You don't have applications. Market basket analysis. So the person who is purchasing the milk, so he is also rarely he purchase the diapers also for the babies. Okay, very rare combinations, rare association. This traditionally it is very difficult to recognize such a association. This is possible with the help of the task called as a association analysis. So one of the best example for the association, you can take these are the pattern of the body. When body is scanned by the doctors, this is the pattern is generated. This pattern is generated. This pattern consists of many parameter, maybe the hemoglobin parameter, some health issues, heart disease, some of the parameter like some disease. Okay, so when body is scanned, this pattern is generated. Maybe the blue is for the hemoglobin content. Okay, so the green is for the, maybe I am guessing. So maybe it is for the sugar patient. This pattern is showing. If you are trained the patterns, this is the pattern for the cancer. This is the pattern for the cancer. With the help of the tool, if you are comparing this pattern with the pattern which consists of all the diseases, all the health issues, all the health condition of the body, if same pattern is matched with this warehouse or the multiple patterns, the tool is going to predict the person is having the cancer. Okay, because the cancer pattern is already available with the tool. Okay, and when you scan the body, it gives all the information. So it is giving the health condition of the brain, it is giving the health condition of the heart, it is giving the health condition. It is a mixer. When you scan the body, so we are getting mixture of the health condition of the complete body. So it maybe consist of the condition of the kidney, condition of the lungs. So if I found out, okay, I will go to, if I'm having some health issues, I'll go to the doctor. Doctors, they are having the pattern for the different disease. Okay, they will compare one pattern with this. So if the pattern match is found, they will predict. Okay, so you have this disease. Okay, if the pattern consists of the PAT pattern, so PAT pattern, the tool has a already PAT pattern. We had already trained the pattern to the PAT pattern to the tool, data mining tool. Same is matched with this one. It predict you have a more PAT like this. So with the help of the association task, it is possible. This is regarding the